Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate shapes in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. Now we can see here many slides to this presentation. Now you want to rotate shapes. At first insert a shape. Now I am go to the blank slide. Then click this shape option. And we can see here many shape. You can choose any shape. Now I am go to the basic shape and select the arrow shape. Then we can see we inserted this. Then we increase the size of the arrow. Now we want to rotate this, select the shape and go to the arrange menu. And we can see here the rotation option. You can rotate this manually, otherwise you can rotate the shape right your angle. Now I am made 40 degree. Then press enter. We can see we rotate the arrow shape 40 degree. Otherwise you can flip this shape vertical or horizontal. Now I make the rotate shape is 90 degree. Press enter. Make 90 degree. Now we can see we rotate this shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.